Hello, welcome to the Pedestal Wife Society. My name is Brill. Let's talk about the signs that a man is dating you from his ego. You have to realize the ego is a sense of self esteem and self importance. So, if a man is literally dating you from a perspective of lack, and when he is dating you from lack, this can lead to cheating, it can lead to microaggressions, it can lead to abuse, and it can lead to just a toxic relationship overall. So let's talk about what that looks like. So the first thing I would say that a man is dating you from ego is he's dating you from an insecure place. If he's dating you from maybe he has a physical insecurity, let's say he's short, let's say he's under 5'7", and he has a complex about being short. So he tends to try to project that big dog energy, that alpha energy because he is short. And what he tends to do, he tends to gravitate towards women who don't have their feminine voice activated, women who fear speaking up for themselves, women who apologize for the apology. He tends to gravitate towards these women. Uh, Also, if he feels like he isn't worthy of love, the thing is, one of the number one thing that men like this would use is he'll say that a woman has never loved him, that he's never experienced love from a woman, that a woman has never treated him right. Feelings of not being worthy for love means that you would gravitate towards a woman who is proving her love, a woman who's willing to jump through hoops to show that they love their man, a woman who is willing to do all type of things to show or pour into this man that she loves him. And the thing about that is that when you pour into a person, they don't have a sense of self-love. They don't have a sense of completion within themselves. It's like pouring into a bottomless pit. You can never ever fill it up. You can never give it enough validation. You can never give it enough attention. So when you are dating a man who has a sense of not being loved or that he isn't worthy of love, he is dating from his ego. Also, maybe he is a man who's needy, a man who is very clingy and needing and wants you to be on call 24/7. He's going to gravitate towards a woman who's willing to be on call 24/7. He's going to gravitate towards a woman who wants to text and call all day. He's going to gravitate towards a woman who's going to have a location on. He's going to gravitate towards a woman because of the fact that he feels like he's going to lose that person. And he may be dating you from his ego. If he's very clingy, if he's looking for you to have your location on, if he is trying to be with you 24/7, if he always has to be wherever you are, he's going to gravitate towards a woman who's going to take him on girl trips. He's going to gravitate towards a woman who's going to take him to girls' night out. He's going to gravitate towards that woman. If he wants you to change to date you, the thing is, this man is always going to have conditions. He's going to always have strings in order to date him or to have access to his love. Because he doesn't feel like he's worthy. He doesn't feel like he's enough. He doesn't feel complete in his world. So he is going to gravitate towards a woman who's willing to do these things. Basically, he's going to gravitate towards a woman who's willing to enable him, a woman who's going to enable him instead of influence him to do better. So he's going to gravitate towards a woman who's willing to change her entire being in order to be with him. He's going to gravitate towards a woman who's going to accept when he says, "I will love you if you change this." It could be her hair, it could be her weight, it could be her personality, it could be her friends, it could be her job. It doesn't matter what it is. He's going to gravitate towards a woman who's going to willing to do that. To that woman, this is normal. To this woman, it is normal. And if you like this type of content, you might want to go ahead and like because I'm literally going to talk about tomorrow the signs that you're dating from your ego. But when a man is okay or wants to change you, he's going to gravitate towards a woman who's willing to change in order to receive that love. And you have to realize, since he feel like there's an incompletion somewhere within himself, he's going to look outside of himself for that completion. So no matter what you do in order to get his love once, you're going to continue to do it a second time, a third time. And let's say he asks you to change your hair, the next thing will be your dress, the way you dress. Maybe the next time you're going to change how he's going to tell you to change the way you speak. The next time you're going to change who you hang out with. He wants to have that control because he is incomplete within himself and he is trying to find or change the environment or change people in order to fit what he believes need to be fixed within himself. And this is also dating from ego. The thing is, when you're dating from a perspective of lack or incompleteness, this is the reason why people of today are all looking for love. They're looking for something that they have not been able to give themselves. They're looking for love in all the wrong places. And when you continue to look outside of yourself for everything you need, maybe you're looking for a sense of protection, maybe you're looking for a sense of comfort, maybe you're looking for a sense of belonging. You continue to search for things outside of yourself. You're going to look in your environment or people for those things. And this is dating from ego. That's the reason why I promote inner work. I say go inward, work on the inner you, and you will affect your reality and you will change who you date. You will change who you interact and engage with. You will bring better people in your life because you will be dating from a perspective of abundance. You will be dating from a perspective that I am all that I need. You will be dating from a perspective of high self-confidence. When you continue to date from ego, you will be dating from lack. You will be dating from scarcity. You'll be dating for something you feel that you don't have or you need to fix within yourself. So this is how you know that a person is dating from ego. And this is the thing, when you have chosen or you've chosen a man that has chosen you from his ego, you will literally have to endure microaggression within the relationship. You might even endure some abuse. You might even endure some disrespect. You might even endure cheating because he's dating from a lack. He's dating from incompleteness of self. He's dating from a lack of self worth and self concept. When a person is dating from that perspective, and they're dating from their ego, they're dating from a lack of self-esteem, a lack of self-importance, this means they're only going to gravitate towards people who enable the behavior or the things that they're doing. They're gonna date that person, and this is the reason why I talk about killing the ego and working on yourself and becoming a complete, authentic woman because you tend to date better. You date better people. You gravitate towards healthier human beings. You gravitate towards people who are complete themselves or on the way to completion. But this is the signs that you need to look at to see if you're dating, if a man is choosing you or you're choosing a man that is dating you from his ego. And I will catch you all on the next one. Just make sure you take your time to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, like the video if you like this type of content, because tomorrow we're going to talk about the signs that you're dating from your ego. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.